So hi guys, welcome back to Coding with Adhrit. In today's video, I will be teaching you what are variables. So let's get started. So let us open our IDE as usual. And after it opens, let's make a new file. And now let me explain what are variables. So variables are containers which store data in them. Let me demonstrate. Example, we want to name the container 3. So we named it 3 and now we're going to use the equal sign and now we're going to use strings as we learned in the previous video. If you don't know what are strings, I would highly recommend to watch the video on strings. It will be linked in the description box below too. Now let's make a string and inside the string we're going to type example what are you doing, and now let's put a question mark. Okay, now the the text in the string has been saved in the container or variable called as tree. Now if we want to take out the data from the container and use it, we can use Python programs like the one which you already learned, the print statement. So let's type print the brackets, and now we don't have to put the quotes here. We don't want to make a we don't want to make a uh, we don't want to make a we don't want to make a string, or else it'll just print out the name of the variable. Let me demonstrate. We put the quotes, and if we type 3 in here and if we run it, click on enter, and then we're just going to save it as variable, and now it'll just print out 3. So if we wanted to print out the data stored in the variable, we should not give these quotes, only 3. Now let's see what happens. Now as you can see, what are you doing is coming because this was the same text stored in the variable, right? That's amazing. So that's all for today's video. Bye guys.